Good evening. 21 December 23. See this one in United States history. I show him. Nobody responsible here. MS4.com. Sasi Kant. He got the signature after make the deed. ਬਾਬਾ ਨਿਹਾਲ ਸਿੰਘ, ਬਾਬਾ ਹਰਨਾਮ ਸਿੰਘ, ਤੱਲਣ ਸ਼ਹੀਦਾਂ ਦਾ ਸਥਾਨ, ਬਾਬਾ ਦੀਪ ਸਿੰਘ। I need your help. United States government, FBI department and Supreme Court Judge Mark Weinstein, they give to him the lot of people threaten in this property with him. Other deed, FBI, they making here, lot of people send them. They give to him the training center here, FBI department. In Franklin Township, we go over there, I need the help. He said, on court, on judge, mental declare. Who is the person they complained over there? How many private president they have involved this property? Indian Sikh PM Manmohan Singh is a daughter. She make the deed in crime grow up in this country. United States government, they give to him the lot of benefit. Murder crime people coming, they get in the lot of training. We got the paper over there, New Brunswick court. One FBI Singh over there coming. They have, he said Sukhvinder Pingle has stolen the car. Nonsense man. FBI department. He has no education. Country has surveillance system. Where the Sukhvinder Pingle? He stolen the car. FBI every day. Stolen, murder, crime, his history, United States. Now see my face. Who said I am the Atwadi? Franklin Township making every day report here. Where I am the crime in this country. Grocery store with him. One in Gujarati evening time, man coming. I don't know, he's a little threatened over there. There he complained in Trenton. One she's lady food department coming special over there in next day morning. She throw in the lot of stuff in garbage. You never sell in this Dettol, color, lot of things. I don't know, maybe the government they give him increase. Yeah, they gave him a lot of corruption in the food department in Trenton. How many people in this property with him get the increase? I every day search where is the prime minister, president and government officer. They crime grow up in this country. Now I remember my 3 brother children, Lady of Fatima School, Piscataway, education. That time President George W. Bush is the president in this country. That time they make the deed. School people make the plan. He said voting system. All my children, they put it on the Democrat Party. After one son has a scholarship. Lady of Fatima School close. Indian people and FBI Department Training Center. They close the school. Washington Avenue, Piscataway. Raceway gas station front of that time Bank of America. That police officer is the owner Raceway gas station. His son is the drunk gang with him working. Piscataway police, one day they show him your son in the drug gang with him, they sell the drug. Now we shoot, yeah you shoot. That police officer, they shoot him his own son in Piscataway. I have own country history. He's a great man, Greek guy. After we live in the 70 Lakeview Avenue, Harris House. That time I don't know who is the mayor in Piscataway. They too much botheration. Roper Transport and Master Transport, Pinglia brother, you move. You give him the somebody else in the rent. Everything in your video. I every day go to the port where I am the threatening a murder. How much I the work. Electronic with him, they write it down. Early morning, they put it on, I am the on duty. In United States government, how much per day drug incoming in the United States? How many gun deliver in the Mexico? They have electronic system. Crime, you people grow up, I never crime. 1962, Abrai Hotel, one is the American guy, he's selling the gun in India. He runway, cross by jet in Pakistan, they gave him critical asylum. He coming in the United States. Please, Arjola, my case, this is your bad luck, bad time coming, evening time. Jagir Singh, Oakty Road, he said change your Sabji Mandi name. This is Somerset Sabji Mandi. Trenton, they approve. He threatened letter over there many times. Please, Arjola, my case, this is bad luck in the United States. Bad time coming very soon. Drug coming in the White House, they have no fingerprint. There is a Pinglia brother fingerprint, he need criminal FBI coming in my house. Atal Bihari Vajpayee, India's PM. He said your case was critical, like a big problem in the United States. India Congress Manmohan Singh, they give to him a lot of money, corruption in United States government. His nuclear with him problem, Sansing Chadwal Hotel. Anand Rajan, he sent them $900,000 after they have Manmohan Singh, his gang, Sansing Chadwal, in the American gangster. They have Switzerland accident. Barack Obama has a, how much Indian people they give in the corruption. They have electronic system. How much his relative they get the corruption money. Yeah, Barack Obama, they gave him own children. World has electronic system, everything. Where you crime? You search him, where is Gursarinder Pinglia? He make the movie. I never threaten in United States government. They have Giddar Dhamkiyan. They have lot of threaten in this country. Pinglia brother, I have lot of education. My father said, you have any problem, right way talk to him, the sorry. After no more problem. In this property with him, tomorrow या day after tomorrow या 1st January, how many car over there standing? Piscataway या Franklin Township Police watch him, how many car over there parking? Nobody responsible in this property. Suitcase, they take it. In Sansing Chatwal Plaza Hotel, if you need the sex, $500,000 sex expensive, go over there. In United States government, nonsense people in White House work. When they have Bill Clinton has a sex scandal, they catch him. How many nonsense they have involved? Government, how much pay him money? Lewinsky. You have never sense. You country insult. That's why pay the money. Hillary Clinton is walking other side. That's why they put on the tea with him a drug. That's why he need Bill Clinton sex. Please resolve my case. Democrat Atwadi Party. Barack Obama has no knowledge. I spend a lot of money day night. Apindra Shubkula said, change your new life. Nonsense has how much corruption money Shubkula has. In Hindu people, he making Ram Mandir. Ahmad Shah, one judge they kill him after he making mandir over there. No judge they rated on himself on religion history. Where is Pinglia brother history? My father, sometime he is walking, we are unhappy. That time, Dr. Clock, he catch the deed. After I don't know either die, yeah, he get corruption money. Sansing Chatwal Hotel with him. Franklin Township with him every day. How many making movie over there? Indian all grocery store check is. How much date expire stop selling. Overload building. They have grocery in the United States. You anything lease, never problem, nothing. You have behind Prime Minister, President and police, they help you. Nobody help me, Pinglia brother. That's why property closed. This is bad luck. I need the earthquake in the United States. All in your income sources, they fell down. Anywhere, any court judge use my video, where is the murder? Where is Judge John Robert Gangs? 9 judge. In your history, everything write down how much you get the corruption on life. Corruption with him, you run the country, you run the United States. Murder, crime every day in the United States. You people, strange blood, generation to generation. Thank you, bye. This is bad luck. Bad Christmas coming. I prayer in the evening time. Baba Nihal Singh, Baba Arnam Singh, Tallan Shahidan Dastan. Baba Deep Singh, Manmohan Singh and Prakash Singh Badal, Raja Patiala. That time Hindu people, 40% they gave him. Where is original Hindu? They kill him. Maharaja Patiala, his son. Where is Hardwar area? They beat him. I don't know. They have lot of people die. They have proof. They kill him. Ravinder Singh, Maharaja Patiala's son. They lot of beat him Hindu. Government, that time is quiet. Please resolve my case. This is your bad luck. Bad time coming. I am the evening time movie making. Any Somerville court has a proof where I am the murder crime or threaten whose person. They put it on the ladder Pinglia brother against like a Atwadi people in the United States. He has never sense. Where I am the murder or crime, I am the honest life work. You people happy only Omni mortgage. You have never sense. You damage the United States this case with him. George W. Bush, how much get the benefit? They have computer system, India government they give him. Barack Obama, how much get the corruption money in India, yeah, partnership, yeah, gift certificate. Thank you, bye. This is bad luck. See my face. I go early morning work. I come here, make the movie. Bad luck in the United States. In your bad time coming very soon. You people bring in this other country, exchange terrorism. I never bad work. That's why I am making in the United States movie. How many people have income sources? School has a income sources. All over they have income sources. Where is Pinglia brother income sources? In Somerville court, how much he making the proof? Everybody need proof. Where is stolen murder, crime, drug? They have video system. Thank you, bye. This is bad luck. Bad time coming in the United States. See my face. I am look like a Atwadi. Government has a never sense. That's why property close. They making India government they pay him money after making wrong report. Thank you. See this one. They are very dangerous people in the United States terrorism. That's why I am making movie. This paint, I throw him on blood like that. Nonsense people born in the United States. Thank you.